Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I am telling you how to make this water dispenser and how to use it. To make this water dispenser, you need glue gun, scissor, cutter, and clear, and wrapping paper, and sticker, and you need also a box. How to make this water dispenser, and standard, and the water holder where the water fall down. And you need a bottle and a drain. Water will fall down on the drain. Now I'm gonna fill up the water. Okay, then now I'm gonna put the bottle inside the dispenser. Remember, I think someone can make it very fast. I think so, but I don't know if you can. Yes, I fix it. Then you must round it. Yes, like this. So let's see how you round it. Like this you must round. Don't round for mistake, or don't put the water bottle for wrong. If you put the water bottle wrong, sometimes it can be fast broken. Yes, I think so. Some people does that. Already finished. Now I'm gonna make it. Yes. Let me put the dispenser in a good place. I think so you like it. And you take some water. I'm gonna drink some water. Yes, it's working. Let me set up it. Finish. Set up. I think it's already ready. I think we like it. Wow. Okay, now very fast time. Okay, now we are gonna put the dispenser here on that part and put some glass also. Put some glass and some water. Make for some water. See. This dispenser has a water. You can see already the water. Now I think you all like this one. This is a bottle full of water, everything. I think you like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.